Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Pet Treater. Now, if you're not familiar, Pet Treater is a monthly pet subscription. You can get it either for a cat or a dog, and you can specify the size of your pet as well. Now, they have three different options. They have the $15 bag, which comes with 2 toys and 2 treats. This is the $18 bag, and you have 2 choices with that bag. You can get either treats only or toys only. Now, I choose toys only because we have plenty of treats for all our guys. So I just want the toys, and I specified for a large, extra large dog. And then they have the $25 box, which is for multiple pets in your home, and you get all kinds of goodies in that one. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for January. When you open the bag, this is what it's going to look like inside. There's all kinds of goodies in there. So I picked the card first. They have a pick of the litter program where if you take a picture of your pet with the things that they supply, then if they like the picture, then they'll go ahead and make your pet the pick of the litter for that month. And this month it's Tonks. And there is Tonks. Very handsome. So let's go ahead and dig in. Now with every bag, you're going to get a bandana. So this one looks very 80s, doesn't it? Look at, Rubik's Cube, cassette tapes, boom boxes. How fun is that? I'll wear that one. I usually don't put them on my dogs, but I've got them. The next thing I am pulling out, wow, look at this. Nice lion. This is by Zeus, and they're called growlers. And it does have a squeaker inside. The back is just plain. It's kind of like a tough nylon back here. So this one should last pretty good. The next thing I am pulling out is by Ruffin It. This is a dental bone with a rope. Fun and tough dental dog toys. Durable for tough chewers and for healthy teeth and gums. It is a soft rubber, which my dogs do prefer a soft rubber instead of those hard rubber things they send. They never touch those. And then, oh my gosh, this is All for Paws treats in you hiders. Treat hider dog. This is a medium. So basically you put treats inside of his mouth and the dog has to work to get them out. This is cute though. It looks like a little bulldog, doesn't it? Does it have a squeaker? It does. So, this is a really good way to get treats and toys for your pets. It's cheaper than going to the store, like any of those pet stores. All of these would run over $18. I'm telling you that. So this is a good way to do it. I don't have to think about it. It just comes to my door each month and the dogs have something new to play with. And I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.